So something that is unique to the Montessori classroom is that we have mixed ages. So in our class, we have 6 to 9. So they come into our classroom at 6 and they leave to upper L around 9 or 10. And the reason we have that is we really want to create a mentorship in our classroom. Adults sometimes, they're relating to us as adult, but it's a lot easier for a young child to relate to another child because they're more on that same developmental level.
We're working on test tubes. It's like division, and here we do, the first one we do division or time, more like division, and then we check our calculation. And if and like here it's correct, but usually if it would be wrong, then we would have to do it again. But if there would be a remainder, then we would have to do plus. And if we have like 3 remainders, then we do plus 3, and then we add them up. Sometimes they underline if it's wrong or not, but usually we get it correct. 41 here. Then we do a line times 4. So here, Catherine, she never done it, so we're teaching her. 8. Yeah. Okay, so which one do you want to do, Kath?
5 or 4? 4. I mean 5.
Okay, 5. And then need our...
Working together and ownership of the classroom so the children feel that it's their environment, that it's a place for them.